Alright, hey everybody. Today's going to be the second video on the rebuilding the Ford Falcon. Today we're going to try to get the front wheels, front suspension off. And we'll have to get the welder out and weld a little brace here to here, because this is welded to the lower A-arm, so I want to make sure I get this braced up before I take the A-arm off. So we'll do that probably first, and we'll try to do some time lapse on all this stuff, and we'll see how many times I forget to have to go get tools. Alright man, thanks. Alright, so the plan here, weld this here, keep all this halfway straight, because I'm going to cut this off, which is actually just welded to the freaking lower A-arm. So I need to get that off so I can cut this, and then we can take that A-arm and stuff off. So we'll go weld this up real quick, and it doesn't have to be pretty, luckily, so we'll just knock it out. Alright, so got that welded in, which is just temporary, because all of this, once I get the Mustang 2 front cross member put in, I'm going to cut everything out from here forward, and then probably tube frame it, try to get a tubing bender, and we'll see how that goes. And so we'll keep at it. right, change of plans. Yeah, so we just had to do that because I couldn't get the one bolt out of the shock, and didn't feel like messing with it. So I think this is a lot easier anyway. So we'll do some more. Don't take it off your stuff like I did because it'll mess it up. But hopefully we'll keep at it. And next thing to do is get all the transmission cooler lines, fuel lines, and battery cable out from underneath the car, and then we'll start cutting stuff up. So thanks for watching.